Okay, so I've got the battery on the bench. This is a PC1500 from Odyssey. I love these things. I've been using them in my race cars for years. We've got them in Bad Penny and in this car, Mistress. Now, the last time this battery was used was back in October 2023. And if you don't remember, I rolled the car at King of Portugal. So when we got back, the whole car was stripped down, the batteries came out. And this is really important. The first thing that we did is we recharged these batteries to make sure we brought their capacity back to 100%. They've been in storage ever since then, and I've just put them on the battery charger this morning to make sure that they're A-OK. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm picking up 12.9 volts here, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So let's disconnect this and let's get this in the car. There might be many things, but like they are not. That's because of the unique way they're designed. Extra thin lead plates means we get more lead per battery, which gives us better performance. So the battery drops into the bottom of the chassis here. We want to keep that weight as low as possible. We've got two of them in here because this car runs on 24 volt. So both the batteries are back in, got the travel caps in place so there can't be any accidents before we hook them up. We're now going to get the floors in, get the cables in, and we're ready to rock and roll. So there we go. Let's not forget, all batteries need love. See you soon.